Hi everyone, we hope you're well. Thank you for tuning in to our next YouTube video, which is going to be all about our online GCSE courses, and we're going to be running through some of the most frequently asked questions all about our online GCSE courses. You may have noticed that I've got a different mug today. You probably haven't, but I normally have an Open Study College one, but I've got a new mug. What do you think? Can you read that? Comment down below if you like my mug or not. First of all, I'm sure most people know what GCSEs are, but we're just going to be running through a really quick kind of definition of what they are. So I'm actually going to read off my laptop because I can't remember this, but it stands for the General Certificate of Secondary Education, and it's basically one of the UK's most widely recognised qualifications for the end of secondary school education, and they're often like a next step to further study, like A-levels, or anything like that, college, BTEC. It's that kind of after secondary school, the exams you take to kind of go to the next steps. So the core subjects in GCSEs are maths, English and sciences. Quite often you'll need a minimum grade of like a D or a C on your CV to go on to the next steps, such as A-level or college or apprenticeships, or just for like future employers to see that you've got that base kind of grade at GCSE basically in maths, English and science. But then there are also other subjects that you can study. There's a massive range, anything including psychology, kind of humanities, business, languages. So yeah, there's a massive array of different GCSE subjects that you can choose to study. I did do a video a few weeks ago about our online A-level courses. GCSEs basically work in the same way. They are basically the exact same qualification, but you just study them from home at your own pace. And then you can either choose to book your exams with us, or you can choose to book your exams yourself, but these will again be in person around like the May-June time, the same time that everyone else sits their exams. The difference is working through the course content, you can do that at your own pace. There are no strict deadlines, timetables, obviously no commute. You can study around your current commitments from home, from wherever suits you. So yeah, just we will be going into that in more detail later on when I go through the kind of frequently asked questions. But yeah, that's just a quick overview of how online GCSEs actually work. I'm just going to quickly check if this is still recording, because the last YouTube video we filmed, it stopped and I had a breakdown. So yeah, we're still rolling. Yeah, basically this video is just going to be running through some FAQs about our online GCSEs, hopefully answer some of the most common questions that we get, and yeah, just to kind of provide a bit more information about them really. So our first one is, are online GCSEs recognised qualifications? So in short, absolutely yes. As I said again with our A-levels, they are fully accredited and recognised GCSEs. The awarding bodies who kind of provide these, so we work with AQA, OCR, and that's it. Yeah, they basically perform kind of rigorous checks on our online GCSEs just to make sure that they meet all of their high standards. So they're fully recognised by them, and they are the exact same course and qualification that anyone would study in person. Yeah, there's no difference at all in the legitimacy of online GCSEs. You can earn, A star, you can earn, they are fully recognised, fully the same. You can achieve the same as what you can achieve at in-person college. So in short, yes, they are fully recognised and accredited qualifications. So I touched on this a little bit earlier, but our next frequently asked question is, how do the exams work with online GCSEs? So when you enrol with us, you will get an option to add on exams or practicals if necessary. Some of the more practical courses do have practical days such as science and geography. So yeah, there'll be an option when you enrol to add those on, which means that us, while our academic team will book and sort all your exams for you at one of our partner centres around the UK. We do have partner centres that are located around the UK. We've got some in the North, Midlands, South, which most of our learners are happy to travel to. Or the second option is that you can not add exams with us when you enrol and just choose an accredited centre yourself. and sort them out yourself with an accredited centre near you. So that's completely up to you. We do find that most people do decide to add on exams and practicals with us, just so that it takes the hassle out of that. You pay, and then obviously it's an additional fee, and then we sort that for you. Our next FAQ is, how long do you have to wait until you start once you've enrolled? The answer to that is simply, you don't have to wait. If you choose to study your GCSEs online, you'll receive your logins within 24 hours of enrolling, and you can straight away access the portal with all of the course content in it, so you can literally start studying pretty much straight away. Or alternatively, we do offer a study pack option, which means that we deliver to you the materials in a printed manner, so you'll receive kind of booklets and printed materials that will be delivered to your home within 10 days, or if you choose express delivery, that's within like 3 to 5 days. So yeah, there's not a lot of time to wait at all once you enrol, but depending on if you choose to get a study pack or online, the wait is a little bit different. So another commonly asked question is, can I take my GCSEs online at any age? In short, yes. I believe we've actually had learners well into their 70s and 80s that have actually studied GCSEs, even if it's just for a hobby. But also all of our online courses are designed for adults. Quite often you'll need kind of a C in maths and English to progress on to something that you want to do. So a lot of people can choose to retake their GCSEs online to achieve that grade. It's never too late to study your GCSEs, and obviously if you're studying them later in life, you might appreciate that flexibility that online GCSEs give you. You know, you might have a full-time job or a family or other commitments, so this gives you kind of full scope to study whenever and wherever you want, which does suit a lot of adults looking to retake their GCSEs. You absolutely don't need to be 15 or 16 years old. We have helped thousands of learners over the age of 16, like I say, well into their 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, to do GCSEs. So literally any age you can study GCSEs. Another question we get asked is, what's the difference between the online study method and the study pack study method? It completely depends on your personal learning style as to what will suit you better. Basically in a study pack, if you go on our Instagram and our TikTok accounts, we do take photos quite a lot, and we've done reels and TikToks in the past of us kind of opening a study pack, which is basically a big box that you get with some lovely branding and logos and things. Open that up, and in there will be a notebook, a pen, some cards, information, student guide, and then all of your course content in the form of booklets. So it's basically the course content in a printed form. So if you prefer having physical things, if you want to take notes down on the physical kind of booklets, if you prefer holding something and having something tangible, then a study pack option might be perfect for you. Alternatively, if you're happy with studying materials online, then you will get a login to our student portal, and all the course content will be there in an online format on screen that you can access, and you can access that on a laptop, a tablet, a phone, anything that you are happy to study from, basically. So although online, obviously online GCSEs are online, one of the benefits of studying through us is you do get unlimited tutor support. So you'll be assigned a specific tutor when you enrol, who are there to contact via email throughout your studies. So if you have any questions, advice, anything like that, and you'll also be sending them your tutor marked assignments, which they'll mark, kind of get back to you with grades, feedback, anything like that. So yeah, that is that kind of personal unlimited tutor support throughout your studies. You'll also get access to EXO student discounts if you enrol with us, so that's also another perk. Also, we do a free CV review as well, and do offer kind of recruitment resources as well. So we offer career guides on our website, and we genuinely do care about you achieving your career goals. Like, it's what we're here for, it's what we do. We have a learner services team who, if you have any queries or problems or anything like that, they're always on hand to speak to you on the phone, to reply to your emails. Yeah, so we've got teams of people, and all of us kind of do genuinely care about people achieving their career goals at any age, and you know, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to go on to do. So I'm actually just going to read out, if you were interested in studying GCSEs online with us, obviously they're some of our most popular courses. Our GCSE and A-level courses are obviously probably some of the most widely known qualifications that we do. You know, everyone knows about GCSEs and A-levels, and lots of people enjoy the option of the flexibility of the online learning. So I'm just gonna, if you are interested, I'm just gonna read out the GCSEs that we personally offer. So we do English language, higher mathematics, history, biology foundation tier, chemistry higher tier, economics, foundation maths, English literature, sociology, physics higher tier, religious studies, psychology, physics foundation tier, combined science, which is the trilogy, chemistry foundation tier, biology higher tier, computer science, and GCSE business studies. So they're all the GCSEs that we currently offer, and we are always looking to expand this. We know that they are great qualifications, and our academic team are always kind of researching and looking to expand our offering of this as well. Sorry, I'm being really rude. I'm just replying to a Teams chat. That's really rude, isn't it? I'm filming a YouTube video. So I think that's going to be a fairly quick whistle-stop kind of YouTube video, to be honest. If you would like to go and watch the A-level one, obviously just check out our other videos, and there's a lot more detail on that. GCSEs basically work the exact same way as our A-level courses do. So yeah, feel free to go and check that out, and our other videos as well, and our shorts, because they have lots of funny bloopers there, just if you fancy a giggle, really. Yeah, hopefully just running through some of our most commonly asked questions for online GCSEs has been useful. If you have any other questions that you would like to ask, please comment down below. We'll get back to you. And yeah, we hope you have enjoyed this video. It's currently Friday afternoon. I don't know when this is going to go out, but I hope you have a lovely week. And yes, we will see you in the next video. Bye.